amigos, welcome to Factaholic channel. In this video, we're gonna see about Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean is a British sitcom created by Rowan Atkinson and Richard Curtis, produced by Tiger Aspect and starring Atkinson as the title character. The sitcom consists of 15 episodes that were co-written by Atkinson alongside Curtis and Robin Driscoll for the pilot. It was co-written by Ben Elton. The series was originally broadcast on ITV beginning with the pilot on 1 January 1990 and ending with the best bits of Mr. Bean on 15 December 1995. Based on a character originally developed by Atkinson while he was studying for his master degree at Oxford University, the series centers on Mr. Bean described by Atkinson as a child in a grown man's body, as he solves various problems presented by everyday tasks and often causes disruption in the process. The series has been influenced by physical comedy actors such as Jacques Tati and those from early silent films. Now let us see Mr. Bean's vehicle. Mr. Bean's vehicle, a Citroen Green 1977 British Leyland Mini 1000 Mark IV with a metal black bonnet, was central to several antics such as Bean getting dressed in it, driving while sitting on an armchair strapped to the roof, or attempting to avoid a car park free by driving out through the entrance. In the pilot episode, Bean's vehicle was originally an orange 1969 BMC Morris Mini 1000 Mark II, registration RNT 996H, but was accidentally destroyed in an off-screen crash at the end. Now let us see Mr. Bean's Teddy. Mr. Bean and Teddy. Teddy is Mr. Bean's teddy bear and apparently best friend. This little brown bear is knitted oddly with button eyes and sausage-shaped limbs which invariably end up broken in half or in various other states of destruction and disfiguration. Although Teddy is inanimate, Mr. Bean often pretends it is alive. He always puts it a Christmas present or tries not to wake it up in the morning. For example, when Mr. Bean hypnotizes Teddy, he snaps his fingers and Bear's head falls backwards as it had fallen asleep instantly. Now let us see Mr. Bean's The Reliant, the blue car. Reliant regal in Mr. Bean. Since the pilot episode, Mr. Bean has a long-running feud with the unseen driver of a light blue 1972 Ryan Reger Supervan 3 registration GRA 26K, which would usually get turned over, crashed out of its parking space and so forth by Bean in his Mini, who's usually oblivious to the results. These mishaps also become a running gag throughout the series. In Tea of Mr. Bean, Bean is hitching and the Reliant pulls over for him, but Bean, who recognizes the car, pretends to not see it until it leaves.